everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log out of Netflix. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're going to do, first of all, go and access your Netflix. Then afterwards you will find all of your profiles that you have created on your Netflix, and let's choose whichever one you would like to log out from. Let's go ahead. If this is the one, simply go ahead, choose a particular profile and wait till you get it loaded, and then afterwards you're going to find this kind of interface over here. After browsing, if you would like to log out, you can simply go ahead, tap on your profile on top right corner of your screen and scroll down. Then you will find this option called sign out given over here. Once you have tapped in and confirmed that you would like to sign out, then you simply will be able to sign out for your profile simply like that on your Netflix. Same goes for your other profiles. Let's go ahead. If we would like to open this profile of ours, the same method, we're gonna go ahead, tap on your profile on top right corner and scroll down, tap on sign out, and we will be signed out of your Netflix like that easily. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.